like that freaking badly?
I do.
Oh no. Fine. Here.
How come not telling anyone mine was not because it was so weird?
I'm not. I think that. Oh my god, that is crazy. Your sister's reaction that that's not even close.
Hold up, guys. Gotta wash my dishes real quick. Yeah, you talk about stuff right now.
I'm eating meat.
Be quiet.
Hey.
Get food. That was your dream?
What?
That was your dream?
Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool. I can actually interpret something from that.
No, please don't.
You have a crush on Riala.
No, I don't. It's more Wayne. It's more Wayne.
Oh my gosh.
That's what I interpreted from that.
Isn't that what Jinx said?
Yeah, let me go see if I can find that comment.
Either that or you actually like your worst enemy.
Be quiet.
Holy shit.
Actually, interpret songs away.
Oh, you guys got scared?
This is what Jake said.
Did you guys get scared?
This is what Jake said.
What was your reaction to that?
You're afraid your friends will push you into liking your worst enemy.
What was your guys' reaction when I said be quiet?
I was like, oh my god, what?
Be quiet.
That's what Jinx said. My reaction? Really?
Why you have to be quiet?
Cute couple. The girl part, yes. The dude part,
Yeah.
I shall stop recording.